Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 5th of February 2022. Watch out for this. I'm going to show you something on the price chart that we all need to be on the lookout for so that we don't get caught off guard and get caught in a bad position and question and scratch our head, try to think, okay, why did the market just do that? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. Before I tell you what that is, you guys appreciate my price predictions? Yeah, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I'm here to show you that you don't have to be complex. It doesn't have to be complicated to figure out where price is going to go. You just simply look at the price bars and the volume to understand where we are going to go in the market. I'm going to give you all an example today for Sandbox. Take a look. I did a price prediction not long ago. You guys can see it was on the 1st of February. And I was playing the strength into the market here. You guys can see it that it took about 3 or 4 days. But now we are nicely entrenched into profitability. You guys can see it. Yeah. Now, you guys can see that my ultimate TP price is coming in around $4.80, 75 cents. That's where it is, right? And this is where we need to be on the lookout for. We need to watch out to see sellers come into the market right here around $4.75. Currently, with this slight increase in volume, you guys can see that the volume in Sandbox has increased as we've been seeing price go up. And currently we're seeing the market close off of the highs right now. So what is going on? Just like I was trying to prepare you all on the 1st of February to be prepared for sellers to approach $4.70. Yeah, they might be doing it right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take this out the market. It's about 9.95% profitability. Kudos, great job. We saw that about 4 days ago, playing the strength into the market in Sandbox, and now we need to move on. Let's see. We want to try to answer the question if selling is coming into the market in Sandbox. So currently you guys can tell that maybe not that much selling is coming in on the 45-minute chart. I mean, take a look at this. The market is holding support right now around $4.35. That's fantastic. We need to see that in order for the continuation of uplift in Sandbox. We need to see this. So for us to see a very substantial movement higher in price, right? We were trading around 350 on the 3rd of February. We saw the market go up, and now we're trying to level out. We need to continue to see this because it'll let us know that the market is still going to go up, right? We need to see this. So right now, the market here in Sandbox is still looking to maintain itself. It looked like it still wants to go up, right? Look at this. This is on a minute time frame. And understand, the market is not lying to us. It tells us precisely what it wants to do. Look at that. Now this is the 90-minute. Okay, every price bar you see is 90 minutes worth of price action. This is a different story. I'm seeing weakness on the 90-minute chart. So again, on your time preference, you want to be careful regarding what is going on in the market. 90-minute chart is showing us selling. Okay, right here. This is where it started on this 90-minute chart. This is where the weakness and the selling started in the market for Sandbox. And we're still seeing someone sell in the market right now. So this price level, $4.35, is going to be real important. Yeah, it is. So let's look at this on hourly then. I mean, are you bullish into the market right now in Sandbox, or are you looking for a dip? Are you looking for the price to come down slightly? Because if so, this is the level. $4.15. The market in Sandbox cannot break, even no lower than $4. So we got a lot going on. It all depends on your time preference. If you're going to be in the market for a couple of minutes scalping the market, then yeah, you can play some weakness here. If you're going to be in the market in Sandbox on a day-to-day basis, then you have to zoom out the price chart to see what we have going on. Because on this 2-day time frame, we're still seeing some strength here. The sad part is that the selling comes in now and price comes back down on the following 2-day price bar. This is on the 3-day. So you let me know. I mean, what is your time preference? Because on a 2-day, 3-day time frame, this market in Sandbox is pretty strong. I like it. And considering that I do this on a day-to-day basis, I don't scalp the market on an hourly time frame, on a minute time frame, because by the time I post the video on YouTube or on Facebook or Twitter, wherever, it's already has happened. The move has already occurred. So I usually try to come in and do plays on a day-to-day basis so you guys can at least have an opportunity to see what my thoughts are. All right. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to play some strength in the market in Sandbox, I still see that the market wants to go up. But as with everything, you have to put it into context. I mean, do you guys see the barrier that can restrict the upward movement in Sandbox? Yes. So even though I'm going to play some strength here into the market in Sandbox, it's going to be very dependent on the market breaking $4.50. Yeah. And we need to be prepared for that. We need to be ready to see sellers appear alongside this D trend line. We need to act accordingly. Once we see selling occur, then we know we need to cut the play. This is not the time to be emotional. It just happens that way. We already know what we are against when we come in and play outside, when we come in and play a position, whether higher or lower. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you what we got, because I definitely like the 2-day and the 3-day time frame here in the market in Sandbox. Now, take a look. We need to be careful right here. Okay. And the market currently is testing this area right now. We got it. So yeah, in the beginning, we might see price come down, which is why I want us to see price hold $4. So under any bouts of weakness, this market in Sandbox needs to hold $4. We need to see that. Now, I'm going to take it no lower than this area though. As long as the market in Sandbox continues to hold price above 360, I'm going to continue to expect some higher prices. All right. So the steps, what I'm looking forward to in the beginning, in the initial stages, yes, we can see price come down to $4. But if we see the market hold it, if we see buyers approach this particular cryptocurrency around $4, we're golden. We still know that we're sitting pretty. We still understand that the market still has the ability to go up. All right. Now, we break this $4.50 price level to the upside, right? What would be the next level for us to see restriction? Yeah, $5. So what I'm looking forward to is for this price in Sandbox to break and go up to $5, break this trend, and we might come back down and test it, and the downtrend may continue though. We can still see that happen, which is why we need to be prepared to take the loot right there around $5. It's only 14%. It's not a lot, but hey, we understand where the market can flip and turn. And it's going to be right there around $5. Now let's see this on an 3-day time frame to see where's the next level. So the next level could be right here. $5.25, right? Right there. So we got two price targets. First one is $5. Yeah, not going to be greedy. We're going to take that 14% and be satisfied and move on to the next play. Next level, it's around $5.25. It's around 20% market movement higher in price for Sandbox. All right. So let me move this over. I want us to continue to follow this particular market. Understand the only way that this price prediction will go against us is if we see price get rejected at $4.50. And then the market breaks below $4, right? We break $4 to the downside. Yeah, be prepared for us to continue to go lower and cut the play right there. All right, so now it's your turn. Give me your price prediction, your price target into the market in Sandbox. Let everyone know what is your thoughts, what is your process as to where you think market is going to go without the confusion. Hit me up, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.